guys, it's me. I'm so freaking out that Jet is coming to Sonic Speed Simulator. So, I'm doing this video, okay, so that people will understand, so I can make people understand the point of the video, okay? So, on that video, I basically forgot to put on the voice record, so don't mind me. But this video, I'm making sure that the voice record is on. So basically, we're gonna join the game and see if there's any hints if Jet the bird is coming. We might also find the rider's jet. The rider. I'm just freaking out. Alright. So guys, I will make sure to update you guys, and I'll also send you the Discord server on the other video. Make sure you join the Sonic Speed Simulator Discord video so that you guys find out more. Alright, we're just gonna load the sound so that... Okay. Rip oof sound. Anyways, guys. So basically, what I'm here to explain is that Jet the cat is coming to the game. This is no cap. First off, we're gonna check. First off, before I explain, I'm gonna check over here if there's anything. If there's any hints. No, I'm not doing a race. Let's check over there because the plane and stuff are over there. So let's go check. Okay, anything here? Nothing. Wait, what? No, Eggman, get away from me. So basically, I don't see anything over here. If you guys find anything, make sure to comment down below. No, I basically don't see anything. So, what is that? I don't know what that is. Anyways, do you guys, if you tell me on the comments down below if I missed something. Okay, I don't see anything that much. Okay, so basically there's nothing over here, which is off. But now, since there's nothing, I'm going to explain now. So listen, the guy on Discord said, "Who is ready to ride?" And I kind of got pissed, like not that much pissed, like so I decided, who's going to be joining Sonic Speed Simulator that can ride? I said, maybe Ryder Knuckles or Ryder Tails or Ryder Sonic. No, Ryder Sonic is already in the game. But basically, I think Jet and his crew will be in the game, or Jet by himself. It will be so cool that he will have his ride thing. That will be amazing. So that's like cool and stuff. But if they put the skin in the game, you guys know I'm getting that skin. Alright? I still haven't unlocked the plane yet, but I'm gonna unlock the plane after this video. If you guys want to know more, just join the Discord server. Okay? So that Chow, every rider character in Sonic Riders is wearing glasses. So basically, I think that they're going to put Jet. I don't know if Jet isn't in the game. If they don't put Jet in the next update, I'm gonna be pissed off. I'm gonna be so pissed off. Like, I'm gonna be pissed off than a monster himself. Alright. We got more explanations. Some rider characters, they kind of have like, I think they have some kind of a bandana. I think in the Discord server, I think I saw a bandana for the Chow. He was like wearing glasses and stuff. Jet wears glasses. Yes, he has glasses, of course. Alright. So, if Jet's not in the game after the next update, I'm gonna be so pissed off. Alright, guys? So, I have a little bit of more theories. So, uh, so basically, they're going to add Jet with his hoverboard. Okay, they're gonna add Jet with his hoverboard, or maybe he's gonna be all by himself running, and he could do this. I mean, like, how is he gonna use his hoverboard? Like, okay, I mean, like, he can ride it, but how will he can jump, but how will he spin dash on it? I think they will not let him allow. I don't think they will allow him to use a spin dash. People with the jet skiing, I don't think they can use the roll spin dash basically. So, if you guys think there's more, tell me in the comments down below, okay? I'm just so nervous. The next update might be tomorrow, because tomorrow I have a flight. I have a flight to Düsseldorf. So I will also be posting videos while I'm there. Don't worry, guys. Even if I'm not here, I can still post videos. It's not a big deal. Okay, wait. Does it say here? Yep, next update. So it sounds like the next update is coming, I think tomorrow. I don't know. So basically, update might be tomorrow or next week, or maybe after 3 days. Who knows? Update will come no matter what. Update's gonna come no matter what, and you're gonna be ready to spend some Robux and get that skin. So, if he comes, I'm gonna buy 800 Robux for him, or I'm gonna buy even more Robux. Hey, you don't have that new skin. Oh, he has a summer shell. All right. So, if you guys think there's more on the picture, tell me on the comments down below. Oh, no, we're gonna check it ourselves. Oh no, where's the Discord server? Discord. No, we're not gonna invite anybody. Okay, this is the Sonic Speed Simulator group. So basically, this is what it is. If you imply if there's any theory else on this picture, tell me on the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.